Good morning, everyone. I'm Darcy the Duck, and welcome back to Quackin' News. Today, we're diving into a rather feather-ruffling topic, worst name a human ever gave you. And joining me, as always, is my slow and steady pal, Toby the Turtle. How's it floating, Toby?
Hey, Darcy. Just paddling along as usual, but this topic, it's got me shell-shocked already. I mean, worst names humans give us? Where do we start? Like one time someone called me Speedy. I mean, come on, I'm a turtle. That's like calling you Quiet Quacker when you're loud as a pond party.
Quiet Quacker? I swear, Toby, you know I'm anything but quiet, right? Hey, I'm Mia, and welcome to Baby Buzz. Today we're gonna chat about why some of us are still rocking diapers at 12 months. Joining me is my good pal, Jack.
Hey, Mia. Hi, everyone. I'm Jack, and yeah, diapers at 1-year-old. Kind of a big deal, huh? I mean, I'm still full-time diaper guy over here.
Same, Jack. And you know, some folks think, like, why stay in diapers so long? But honestly, it's kinda tricky learning to potty, right?
Well, folks, whether you're roaring down the road or clucking along the trail, there's something wild about every way we move. Thanks for tuning into Jungle Jive News. I'm Rocky the Rooster, and this cool cat Leo the Lion saying keep it natural and stay charged up. Catch you next time.
Hey everyone, so as you saw in this demo, this is a very funny broadcast that's currently trending. I'm pretty sure you saw it somewhere, and you'll see that people love to watch it. This channel here have 247,000 followers, and it's just started 20 days ago. So I have created software to make it very simple to create. You just need to run the software. I have instructions how to run the software. It's very easy. It will take you like 5 minutes. Once you run the software, you'll see it look like this, and it's have two sections, one for baby broadcast and the other one for animal broadcast. And you'll see it's have multiple customizations. You can add new topic, this topic, what the broadcast will talk about, and you can describe the first speaker, the first baby speaker as a second one, and you can choose the dialogue if you want it to be short or if you want it to be extend like 16 different scenes. And you also can choose one of this for the character establishment. It will, like, the babies will basically introduce themselves at the beginning of the broadcast, or you can skip this. After this, there is no professional multi-camera, but in animal options there will be professional multi-camera where you have different angles and it just alternate between like front view and side profile view. And lastly, you have the aspect ratio, so you can choose portrait or landscape. After all that, you just click on generate broadcast. So all it uses three tools: OpenAI for generate the dialogue, and it also generate the images. For the voiceover, it will use 11 Labs. Finally, for animating this video, it will use Hedra. So Hedra, it will take these videos and the voices, and it will sync the voice, do the lip syncing or the movement of the baby or the animal. Finally, it has built-in video editors that will add the transitions and take care of everything. So once you click generate broadcast, it will do the process, and it will also give you the final video at the end. If you go to the animal tab here, you'll see the same setting. The only thing is in the animal type here for each one of the animals. So there's two. For the animal type, you can select here and just choose any of these animals here. So you can choose cat and add descriptions. And also for the second one, you do the same, choose a different animal and add a description. And it also have something very unique here, which is sound effect. If you saw the first demo video about the animals, there is actually sound effect when it's laugh. So there is like a laughing sounds effects. So what it does, take this animal type and it will generate a sound effect using 11 Labs, and it will dynamically inject this sound effect inside the spoken text. You'll see it's very seamlessly adding all the sound effect inside the actual dialogue speak. And you can, if you don't like that, you can just click no sound effect and it will skip this process and it will do the normal voice. After that, you'll see the same thing, the segment here, standard or extended. if you want the short or long. And the character establishment, camera setup is activated here. If you want to use professional multi-camera, you can do that as well. You can't do it on baby, only on animal section. But please note that when you use professional multi-camera, it will take more credit from OpenAI because it's going to generate 2 pictures for each one of the speakers. So total will be 4. You have 2 speakers, each one will have 2, so you have total of 4 images. But with the standard, it only generates 2 images. If you're okay with that, you can choose professional multi-camera. It's very simple. I have all this instruction of how to run the software, how to add your environment variables for OpenAI and 11 Labs and Hedera. That's all you need to do, just to run the app and add this environment variable, fill up this information after running this app, and click on generate. Once you do that, you'll have the final video. So let me actually fill up the information right here to show you how this works. Okay, so I just filled the information. So for the topic, I choose why you still wear diaper at 12 months. And for the first baby, I just add the description as well in the second baby here. And the dialogue links, I choose 8 segments and skip the character establishment. Then the aspect ratio is portrait. Then I just click on generate broadcast. So once you click on generate broadcast, you will see that there is a status, and the status, it will show you the process for each stage. So there's 5 stages. The first stage where it's going to generate the image for each one of the babies, and then after it's finished, it will take the topic and then generate the dialogue. And then it will generate the dialogues. Okay, so the third step, it will take this dialogue and it will generate voices. You will need to add the voice IDs in the environment variables when you're running these applications. And by the way, you'll see everything, how to grab this voice ID and how to add it in the environment variables. So everything will be detailed inside the link below. So in the description, after you click this link, you'll see the sections. And once you click on the sections here, you'll see everything you need to know to be able to successfully run these applications. And after you add the voice ID, and now you'll see now it's currently animating the voice. So now it's in the stage 4. You see here there's a yellow circle, and this is telling you that it's animating the voices and the pictures. So it take the pictures and the voice, and it will make these pictures talk, as you saw in the demo video. And after it's finished with that, so this is the most lengthy step because it takes process to do every one of the video. So currently you see there's 9 different scenes, and each one of the scenes will take maybe like 2 minutes or 1 to 2 minutes. So you can expect around like 11 to 20 minutes in this step. And once the step done, you will see it start editing the video. Usually the editing video wouldn't take too much. It's depending on your processor or CPU, probably 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, you'll see the video is displaying right here. So you can just download it. It will actually be already inside your computer, but when you click download, you will be able to download it inside the download folder, so you can easily access it inside the download folder. Okay, so here you'll see already have this 2 image. It will display these 2 speakers here, so you can see how they're going to look like. And also you can monitor the process here. 1 out of 9, meaning that it's generated 1 video out of 9. So there's 8. And every time it's finished 1 video, you'll see here already updated the second one. So I'm just gonna wait until it finishes, and then we can see the end video. The video is just finished generating. I see it's completed right here, and you'll see the video is displaying right here. So what you can do is just click on download, and then it's going to download it, and that what you can take. And now you can take this video and just upload it to social media. So I'm gonna view this video here, and let's see how it's look like.
Hey, I'm Mia, and welcome to Baby Buzz. Today we're gonna chat about why some of us are still rocking diapers at 12 months. Joining me is my good pal, Jack.
Hey, Mia. Hi, everyone. I'm Jack, and yeah, diapers at 1 year old. A big deal, huh? I'm still full-time diaper guy over here.
Same, Jack, and some folks think like, why stay in diapers so long? But honestly, it's tricky learning to potty, right? Like you don't just get it overnight.
Totally. And some babies just want to keep it simple. Diaper equals no worries. No rushing to the potty or missing snack time because of bathroom breaks. You feel me, Mia?
Oh, for sure. Plus, some of us are just, in a word, slow learners. Wait, what I meant was, we all grow at our own pace. Some babies are zooming to potty training, and some, well, we're cruising in diapers a bit longer.
Yeah, Mia, slow learner is a nice way to put it. But really, moms and dads say it's totally normal. Like at 12 months, most babies actually aren't ready for full potty stuff, so no shame in the diaper game.
Right. And hey, let's be honest. Diapers are like mini cozy pants with superpowers. They save your day from little surprises. I'd miss mine if it went away too soon.
Oh man, me too, Mia. All right, friends, that's the diaper lowdown for today. Thanks for tuning in with us. I'm Jack.
And I'm Mia. Catch you all next time on Baby Buzz. Stay fresh, or, well, as fresh as we can be in diapers. Bye.
All right, so that was very funny, and it's really very simple to create this broadcast videos. Just fill in the informations, click generate broadcast, and that's all. You can create multiple broadcasts a day, and you can also choose animal broadcast. I'm going to also generate one of these now and just show you how it's going to look like. So I'm gonna fill this information and then click generate broadcast, and we going to see the total. Actually, this time I'm going to choose the professional multi-camera, and we can see how it's look like at the end, and also the sound effect. Okay, so just the topic will be worst name a human ever gave you. I choose a duck and just add the animal descriptions. It's a turtle also as well, animal description. Add a sound effect, and it will be the same 8 segments and include character establishment this time. And then I'll also add the professional multi-camera, and then I click generate animal broadcast. Okay, so you'll see it's generating. Just here probably it's because just taking the previous data, but it will give you a new one once it's finished. So yeah, so I'm going to wait and then I will show you at the end. Okay, now it's generated the images. So this is the first one, and here's the second one. The same as the descriptions when I added like a duck wearing glasses and the wise looking turtle. Take the description as a considerations to give us the final image. Now it's currently editing these images, and it will generate like side view because we choose multi-camera angle, so we'll have 2 views. This is a front view, and now it's doing the side view, so it will generate another 2 images. It won't show us here, but in the back end it will already generate them. So yeah, I think it's already done. Now it's creating the dialogue. So I'm going to pause and then I will unpause after it's done. The video just finished generating, so let me show you the final video.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Darcy the Duck, and welcome back to Quackin' News. Today, we're diving into a rather feather-ruffling topic, worst name a human ever gave you. And joining me, as always, is my slow and steady pal, Toby the Turtle. How's it floating, Toby?
Hey, Darcy. Just paddling along as usual, but this topic? Oh, it's got me shell-shocked already. I mean, worst names humans give us? Where do we start? Like one time someone called me Speedy. I mean, come on, I'm a turtle. That's like calling you Quiet Quacker when you're loud as a pond party.
Quiet Quacker? I swear, Toby, you know I'm anything but quiet, right? But seriously, the names humans pick can be really strange. One time I was called Swampy. Swampy, I'm a duck. Usually pretty classy about my wetlands, thank you very much.
Swampy, huh? That's like calling me Slippery because I'm a turtle who's perfectly content just chilling on a rock. Humans and their wild imaginations. But Darcy, can you imagine if I called you Flappy Feet? Oh wait, you probably get that one all the time.
Oh, Toby, you have no idea. Flappy Feet is basically my unofficial nickname around here. I should wear a name tag. But beyond the silly stuff, some names can actually sting a little, right? Like when I was called Ducky McDuckface. I mean, come on. Wasn't that reserved for boats or something?
Oh man, Ducky McDuckface. That's hilarious, but yeah, a bit much for a dignified duck like you, Darcy. I remember once someone called me Shelly Slowpoke. Like, slow's in my nature, yes, but slowpoke? That's just teasing with a side of sass.
Shelly Slowpoke? That's brutal, Toby, but hey, I guess it's part of the charm of being creatures humans like to name, sometimes thoughtfully, sometimes totally off the mark. I'm curious, though, what's the absolute worst name you've ever heard, Toby?
Oh, without a doubt, it has to be Speedy Gonzertle. Like, I get it, it's a joke, but that name crawled into my shell and hung out for days. I mean, come on, Darcy, if I were Speedy, I'd be a cheetah or something, not a turtle with a caffeine deficiency.
Speedy Gonzertle, I love that one. Who wouldn't want to watch a turtle race? I'd pay to see that slow motion dash. But I have to say, Toby, sometimes I think the worst names come from kids who just can't get our species right. I once heard a kid call me a goose duck. Like what?
A goose duck? That's pure identity crisis for you. Poor Darcy, you can't catch a break. But you know what, Darcy? Maybe it's all part of the fun. These goofy names remind us that humans really do see us as special, even if they're a bit quackers about it.
You're right, Toby. At the end of the day, we're all part of their wild world, whether they call me Swampy or you Speedy Gonzertle. And hey, it gives us plenty to quack and shell about on air, right?
Absolutely, Darcy. And you know I'll be here slowly but surely ready to keep the fun rolling, waddling along. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll catch you next time with more animal antics and maybe some better nicknames.
Thanks for joining us. This is Darcy the Duck and Toby the Turtle signing off. Stay feathery and keep those shells polished. See you soon.
You see the video have a sound effect when the animals laugh, when there's like a joke or anything, and it's have the animal effect of the animals laughing. Also, you see here it's a little bit longer when we choose character establishment, so you'll see the total is 3 minutes and 11 seconds right here. And also you see the camera angle as well has changed, like there's 2 cameras angle. So this is the first one, and for the duck, and here is the second one. For the turtle, there was a little bit issue I saw in the editing, so I changed the prompt. When you run the software next time, you won't see the issue, because here you'll see this is the first camera angle, and here is the second one. It didn't apply the side build, so I have a tweak a little bit on the prompt where just give it more instructions. What is the output that I would like to have? So when you run it next time, you'll see the 2 camera angles. Okay, so this is all. It's pretty easy if you need to generate a new broadcast. You simply click refresh, or just click create new one, and you do the same process that we just went through. If you want to use the software, you can join my community. In the description, there is a link, and then you will see all the instruction inside the community, how to run this software locally on your computer and generate unlimited broadcast. Just consider that you only have to pay for this credits here for OpenAI, for 11 Labs, and for Hedera. And no video editing needed because it's already integrated. It will use your computer resources to edit all the scenes. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you next time.